Today we took a little road trip to Big Sur and to the Limekiln State Park because some of the state parks are open now and we wanted to get out of the house and explore some nature very badly. And this place, so far, this is our first time here. It is gorgeous. They have 3 trails and we're in the parking lot now, but to one side we have the Pacific Ocean and the other side we have the mountains. So we're gonna hike up into the mountains and then hang out at the beach for a little bit. So we have a great day planned. I hear there's a waterfall and some lime kilns to find. It was a beautiful drive down. On the way down here we stopped at the elephant seal viewpoint just to check in on the elephant seals, and they were so cute and doing their little worm to get around. And but
looked like me out on the dance floor.
Yeah, so it was amazing just to see them all hanging out there and just being elephant seals. So if you're driving up here from LA, definitely stop at the elephant seal viewpoint. It is so worth the stop. And there's so many other places to stop and pull over and just like look too. So just take your time and enjoy it. So let's get to hiking.
Yeah.
All right, let's head into the mountains. I can already hear a creek. Jude's got his canteen, he's ready to go. Kenny's got her canteen, she's ready to go. Are you guys cold or something?
Yeah.
Look at that. We're gonna go there. We're gonna go to there.
Yeah.
Can you handle it?
Probably not, but I'll try.
We just got into the trail and we're already seeing our first redwoods. And we've stopped like every 2 steps to take a picture of something. We also saw the Stellar's Jay that I did not get the camera out fast enough to show you guys. But this may take us longer than we thought because look how pretty.
I want to touch it.
Look at the picnic area up there. They aren't letting you picnic right now.
Or camp.
Or camp, but this would be a gorgeous place to have a picnic.
We're gonna come camping when this place opens up.
And then they have a lot of these informational signs to teach you a little something while you hike.
Hi, I'm in a show. Dun, 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 dun.
You're cute. Come on. Let's go on the trail. Tell me where the trail is. Let's go. Go. We made it to the fork in the road. This way is Har Creek, which is the shortest, and then Limekiln is the longest, and Waterfall Trail is like the medium one. Let's go! Har Creek first. Moss, Kenny. Huh? You found a bunch of clovers? Oh yeah.
Wait, this is
I think one's been getting eaten. Is that you? Did you eat the clover?
No.
guys, this is like the root system of this giant group of redwoods here. And so, yeah, this is like blowing our minds. We've been taking pictures here for a hot minute, but look how cool it is. And then of course, you turn around and there's another waterfall and another waterfall. And Chris. They're standing under a redwood tree.
Yeah.
Like underneath the roots.
We're underneath the ground in a way.
Okay, that was the Hare Creek Trail. We just finished it. And now we're going, we had to come back. None of these are loops, they're all just one-way trails, so you have to come back the way you came. And so now we're gonna do the Limekiln Trail and the Waterfall Trail. Off we go! Off to see waterfalls and Limekilns. I can't say that. We got the kids some little walkie-talkies. And they're so cute playing with them.
Turn it up.
It doesn't have a volume.
It doesn't?
No. This is from the Target One spot, so it's not like the most high tech. On, off, and talk.
I am still here, over. Yes, I am a chicken. Yes.
She's right there.
Over. Are you fine? Over. I am fine. Or do you say over? Over. 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 I do want one of these tonight. Please put in a number 2 meal. Thanks. Bye.
Chris is trying to teach them map reading and orientations.
Now,
basically,
what on this map do you see that could orient you to where you are on the trail?
Bridge?
Yeah. Do you see a bridge on the map back in here? Yeah. Where? Right. So we're probably right about here. So we're really close once we get across this bridge to another fork in the road. One that'll lead us up the Limekiln Trail and one that'll lead us to the Falls Trail. Okay?
Which won't go as far.
Correct.
look, we've come to the fork in the road. If we keep going this way, that's the Kiln Trail. And if we go this way, it's the Falls Trail. So let's go Kiln first. Go, kitty, go! The way I see it is that if you're gonna do 3 hikes in a day, end with the big waterfall, because that's the prettiest. Well, we're actually ending with the beach, which is also very pretty, but while we're in the forest. Don't you think, waterfall?
Mm-hmm.
It's a way to end it.
For sure.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Just a heads up, there is a ton of poison oak, so watch where you step and wash yourself after.
Try it. Try and pick it up. You can do it.
Too heavy, you try.
Dude, I want to see you do
It's
it.
a big tree that fell down. Kenny, stand in between there so we can see how big this tree is. Oh my gosh, this is a giant tree. count the rings so we can see how old it is. And Jude's gonna try to pick up this piece. Try to pick it up.
It's fussy. That's pretty heavy.
Is he making movement?
You tried. It's definitely more than 200 pounds. Ooh. There's probably a bunch of ants under there.
And that's just a kind of a small piece compared to this. This is pretty cool.
I can't even count all that.
Yeah, look how thin these rings are.
386.
386?
No, it looks more like at least 1,000.
This is crazy cool though.
I'm gonna stand on it.
Okay. Go stand on it.
I'm scared.
Stand up. Yeah! That's awesome.
I gotta walk over here. Oh, you will.
Dad's trying to parkour over here.
I am.
Now,
It's hard.
it's fun, dude.
Parkour!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Here we go. Better than I could do.
Redwood.
I slipped.
Yeah. This is fun.
We made it to the end of the Limekiln Trail, and there's some lime kilns here. And Chris is here to tell us all about.
Are you ready for some grade A dad-splaining? Well, lime kilns were built for extracting the stuff to make mortar for buildings in San Francisco. We're just about 180 miles from San Francisco, so this was a good source of lime here. And so they built these kilns back in the woods here and burned it and got what they needed out of it so they could build San Francisco. Pretty neat stuff.
This is the building blocks, the very beginning of San Francisco, I guess.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is pretty neat.
Yeah.
Pretty,
The structures are unsafe though.
Pretty cool, yeah.
Pretty cool.
Don't try to climb inside.
Yeah.
This state park is full of sequoia trees. And sequoia trees are really cool because, as you can see over there, these are a lot darker. They hold up to wildfire pretty good. And that's how they end up being able to live so long and grow so tall. We've made it back to the fork in the trail. So now we're going to the Waterfalls trail. This the way. I love that no matter what trail you go on here, there's like some kind of river or creek. There's like waterfalls everywhere. Running water sounds everywhere. I love it. And all the green and the big trees. This is paradise. All right, now we gotta cross this thing, huh?
Yep. You want me to lead the way?
Yeah.
Sure. So far, this trail is the most treacherous because you have to cross 2 streams so far, maybe even more.
Yeah.
So we weren't prepared for that. The internet said it was easy, right? Or a moderate trail.
This is a moderate trail.
Okay.
So.
But it said it was
Moderate and
kid friendly. So we'll see if we have to cross anything else.
Look at this fairy pool right here.
Wow. Look at all these waterfalls. Look how magic that waterfall looks. Be careful. Go ahead. Only one person. can fit at a time.
I agree.
Little tiny house. We have the tallest waterfall at the very top, but you can't see it very good from the very top. It trickles down into this gorgeous little one. There's also like all the trickling on the moss over here. Look, check it out. How cool is that? Now to the beach. This is the coolest place to do the mountains and the beach all in one. Just under the PCH here. And you walk that way and there it is. This is so flinging cool. Like the waterfall and all those creeks kind of came together into this one creek right here. And then it goes out to the ocean. That's so cool. I don't know of very many places you can still see this happening. But that's pretty awesome. Let's check out this view. Wasn't that place beautiful?
It was beautiful. I loved it.
Yes,
yeah.
We definitely want to go back and camp there.
Absolutely.
We didn't get a chance to film our outro because we were basically rushed out the gate because we stayed a little bit too long, but that's okay.
Had too much fun.
Yeah, so we really didn't want to leave. So we definitely want to go back. We wanted to let you guys know that it is a $10 fee to enter the park per car, and they do take a card, which is great because we were not prepared and we had
never
a
carry
card.
cash.
Yeah, who carries cash anymore? So I'm glad some of the state parks and national parks are kind of getting on board with the square.
Yeah.
Because that's basically what they use. So we think with everything going on and there's not a lot of stuff open, we are going to start kind of a new series and explore more of the wild side of California and do more of like a wild California series, which we're really excited about. And so we want to know from you guys, have you been to any state parks in California? What are your favorites? So far my favorite is the Limekiln State Park because it's really the only one we've been to and it was gorgeous. It's going to be really hard to beat. Yeah. You probably shouldn't have went there first.
Yep.
If you haven't seen our Joshua Tree National Park vlog, we have that.
Yeah. And
we'll link that up in the cards and down in the description. But we also hope to go to some national parks soon too, once they are back open, like Yosemite and Sequoia National Park. Yeah. So we have a lot of fun stuff planned every weekend. We're hoping to get out and see wild California.
because it's necessary.
Yes. For mental health.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming along with us. We really hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as we enjoyed filming it for you guys. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.